Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am celebrating today. I have made it to over 1,000 subscribers, which it took me a while to get to this point because I did not stay consistent with YouTube at all. I've been in and out since I started YouTubing, since I started Colored by Chris. So this has been a very long journey for me. It has been like, I want to say 2 years since I started Colored by Chris and since I started doing YouTube. And YouTube made this new policy about how you needed to have like over 1,000 subscribers and to have a certain amount of watch time in order to start earning some money from YouTube. So that went into effect, I want to say sometime in February. And I really wasn't tripping about it because I knew that I was going to be focusing a lot on my pregnancy and I was going to be off the camera for a while. But I have still been getting subscribers and I've been getting people asking me questions and stuff like that, which I was really happy about. And I've made it to over 1,000 subscribers. So I am super excited about that. And for you guys today, I am going to recreate a makeup look that I did a long time ago. Not on my YouTube though. It's actually on my Instagram where I used to post a lot. And that is at Colored by Chris, COLOURD by CRYS. So I'm going to recreate a makeup look, one that I did not really approve of, so I'm gonna modernize it, make it a little bit better, because I want to actually see, I want you guys to see that I have transitioned, like from when I first started doing makeup until now. Not saying that everyone is a professional, but you do tend to gradually get better over time. So I'm going to recreate a look for you. And also, because I have hit 1,000 subscribers, I want to do a question and answer video for you guys. So whatever questions you have for me, nothing is off limits. Seriously, nothing is off limits. But if you guys have any questions for me, make sure that you comment below and I will, when I do the question and answer video, answer those questions for you guys. So let's get into this makeup look. But first, I'm gonna show you the makeup look that I am going to do. Take a look. As you can see, it is a very like beautiful look, but the way I used to do my eyebrows back then, I definitely don't do my eyebrows like that now. So I am really going to show you guys how I have grown over the past 2 years doing YouTube and doing makeup and being in this beauty industry as a whole. And I love you guys so much. To all of my subscribers, thank you so much for your support and I really do appreciate it.
Get enough. I met this black girl in a club by the name of Can't Be Left. This ice cream was hot, made a nuts when I took her out. Then it cost me $20. But the chick named Mona whip, then it made me sick to the point of throwing up. still can't get enough. Still can't get enough. Still can't get enough. Still can't get enough. I met this black girl in a club by the name of Weekend Deluxe. This ice cream was hot, made a nuts when I took her out. Nearly cost me $20. But this chick named Mona whip nearly made me sick to the point of throwing up. So I called chocolate chip with the sweet topping crisp, and I still can't get enough. Still can't get enough. Still can't get enough.